All right, Twitter, YouTube, what's up? Free Access Friday. We back at it. Morning. No, Twitter, I'm a little late. A little late isn't the word for what I am. I'm extremely late. The indicator that I was working on, the macro indicator, I had to take it down. I was making some enhancements, and now I got all these coding issues again. So intraday, I'll be trying my best to work on it while I'm talking to you guys. Let's go ahead and dive into this. This is buy side here. And it's crazy, man, because all we're really doing now right here is consolidating. This is all consolidation. Okay. And I know like it looked so good for this to be a sweep and then price to go higher. But after we hit one standard deviation, so again, here's the one standard deviation. Let me measure. Let me try to measure. I was measuring it from here. You can also measure it from this one here, but both will do. After we get all-time high and we hit one standard, we usually sell off. I was saying that when we hit all-time high. So we got this as an area of sell-off. But you got to sweep right here with the weekly. You go up to the weekly as this as an imbalance, as an internal draw. So it's like, it's conflicting. It honestly really is. And if you haven't noticed, a lot of people on Twitter, especially over the last month and a half, even myself, we've all had difficulty managing this market. Not to say there wasn't any opportunity in the market. There's been opportunity, still green, but just very challenging. And while we're in this challenging market where we just don't have clear direction and we're not just continuously trending in one direction, we want to recommend most people just to keep your size lower, especially given the year that we've had. This year, Juicy Trades has been a pretty solid year, up over 85% on my accounts. On my main accounts, prop accounts done well on payouts. Could have done better, but it's very hard to manage both the personal and the prop account at the same time. So coming down to the 1 hour chart, when we look at it, this is still the expansion leg lower. Everything that's happening is happening in between the most recent high, which is this, and the most recent low, which is this, right? Everything is within this range. And when we're within a range, we theoretically don't have direction. Now we can get internal shifts. This is a internal move down because again, it put this high and it hits this low, right? Hits this high, hits this low. And what this broke the low, what was the high that broke the low? This high and then this low, right? So this is our leg of expansion right here. This low, whatever, point matter. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm trying to say, right? This low, right? So we got another expansion leg down. And this is why the market right now is a little bit more difficult. But you swept this low. What the hell? You know what I mean? So, we're just in these situations, man. We're in these situations with this market. So the best thing to do, in my opinion, right now is just to see, this is going to be my LEF range right here. And this is what I'm going to fib out. I'm going to go down to LAF and then we're going to go down to a 5-minute chart. And it looks like you're going to have a bullish one and a bearish one. Moving averages now has just flipped bullish. So we will see what's going on. This should be LEF high and low, but whatever. It's okay. It is A-okay. When I say I'm late, man, I'm late. I'm just getting to screens now. Haven't looked at nothing. So I got a bearish one here. Mark it how I see it. All right, so that's one LAF framework lower, but these moving averages are bullish. So let's see if we can get one higher. I like this leg here. So in addition to it having the alpha C, you got alpha B here. An unswept Alpha B. Oh yeah, okay. Do-do-do. Yeah, I'm going back to bed. You got 2 competing ones. Swept. Two competing ones, man. You got 2 competing ones. You got a bullish one and a bearish one. Twitter and all the new people who don't trade with me, they're going to be confused when I'm talking about Alpha B. These are my concepts that I created. All right, so let me go back up here. London low is Alpha C. London low is Alpha C. Okay. All right, so this is what I want to happen. I'm bearish. Hard to be bearish in this market, bro. Every time they bear it up. At open, I'm gonna see it move up, sweep this low, and back down. That's my main priority for today. Is that okay for everybody? Hit me with a 333 if that's all right for y'all. Let me put this out in the chat. All right, people, gold. We're gonna be live Sunday at 9 or 10. I just got to let you guys know what I'm doing Sunday. 9 or 10, we're gonna be live inside the room. Everybody good? Everybody, if you agree with me, hit me with 444. If you're ready to rock and roll, hit me with a 999. In the meantime, I'm just going to shut down my screen here. I'm going to stop sharing. I'm just going to sign into my accounts. Welcome to one of the very few places that executes in front of you. Guys, I just want to say, man, should I tell people that? Nah. I keep my mouth shut. I'm keeping my mouth shut. I'm going to keep my mouth shut. I'm going to keep my mouth shut. Okay, everybody click on my screen. You should see my screen. Do you guys, hold on. Okay, people, do y'all see my screen? All right, hold on. I'm just trying to get my X going.
SP King, didn't you win too recently? I feel like you won.
Not bad. I'm telling you, man, whenever everybody's listening to me, whenever they make OpenAI stock, man, buy that thing, bro. ChatGPT is the future.
X, are we ever gonna fucking break out of this giant consolidation leg?
I don't know. You hear his voice? He's just as frustrated as I am.
Dude, it's possible because like even if you go down like the 1 hour swept liquidity and put in a couple of bullish alpha Bs, and then technically right now we have two activate. We have bears and bullish LAF both activated right now.
Yeah. That's exactly what I got. And that's why my thing is to go higher to get the top one, then pull back and get the bottom one. You know what I mean? And the cool thing about not even the bigger LEF, because the bigger LEF, you look at the hour or the daily, it's just the expansion leg low. The cool thing about the intrawane, the one between 24,827 on 24,413, that expansion leg lower, the bottom leg is London low. So the alpha C is London low. So that, for me, if we can get any type of selling in the market, I will go more fuller size on that particular play. Right. And then in the background, guys, I am coding my stuff up here. It's just been a pain in the ass. Hopefully this one will work. See, update on chart. Nope. Anybody else got any questions? We are experiencing the frustration that comes with the market consolidating. But honestly, guys, it's just part of the game, man. It's just really part of the game. And that's why I was saying earlier that most people, we should be looking just to, size down and take what the market can give us,
I mean, I'm green this week. It's just,
exactly.
I'm not as excited coming into open as I would be if we had a clear trend on the 1 hour.
Even if we didn't even have an LEF, give me a direction in the alpha B to wait for price to pull back to. I'm a happy guy. You know what I mean? At least I could wait for something. But when we start looking at, a 5-minute chart and saying, well, I got this one, and this one's lower, and I got this one, and this one's higher. But like, I want the bullish one to hit because you got an alpha B bullish below, and you got the alpha C bearish below, right? So that's two different draws, and you got the overall. Let me go back up to the 1 hour chart. You got the overall alpha C, which would be here. So, which would be here. I'm gonna just mark this as sell side liquidity. The overall draw, SSL, right? As soon as I get this last indicator, not this last indicator, I'm giving out 3 indicators to bronze, to everybody. Juicy trends, a cloud indicator, and the macro indicator. My hope is to start to give this to gold members first next week. And then anybody that's bronze, you get the indicators the week after, okay? But this has been a journey in its own. After this one I'm going to be going more into private indicators, like one more public indicator I'm going to give to everybody. It's just an imbalance one that does IFBGs, the first presented fair value gap and fair value gaps, and then a side one that does breakers. All right. So if you're bronze, you get all that, and that's just enough for you to look at the chart and be able to identify stuff. After that, gold only, we're going to have 2 separate scripts. One's going to be called Liquidity Hunter, where it just finds liquidity for you. And then the LEF. I'm pretty sure I'm waiting on the LEF script. That's going to take me forever. But all this is in the works. That and the combination of continuing the LPS mentorship. We're back on it. Not this Sunday, but next Sunday. We got about 15 minutes to open. You got Alpha B above, guys. You're above both moving averages here on the 1. Let's see it here on the 5. 5 is bullish here. So again, the only thing that keeps me from taking this particular setup is time. Technically, if you want to get technical, you can trade it at 20 because 20 to 40 is a macro. 920 to 940 is a macro. The opening drive macro is just the 930 portion to 940 portion for all those who trade with me. I know that's a mouthful, but something that can happen right now is this into the Alpha B, Alpha C.
ID, please.
All right, about 10 minutes to open. I'm just trying to work on some code. If you hear me quiet, I'm coding. That's what I'm doing in the background. If you hear me quiet, that's what I'm doing in the background. So just, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm trying to work on this code for everybody.
X thinking, guys. Don't bother him.
Don't bother me. I'm in evil genius mode. No, my theory is though, like this is my theory behind all the scripts that I'm working on. If we can all get the scripts on the chart and visually see everything, nobody will ever go on tilt again. It's either just going to work or it's not going to work. That simple. You know what I mean? Maybe the OD macro will give us maybe it'll consolidate. This is the hopeful expectation. Consolidate, get above at 931, retest at 932, deliver 9 Alpha C at 804. And I can take the counter trend because I got the 5-minute. I'm still experimenting with the rule. Like what I really like to see when I go counter trend is an internal leg against the direction higher, right? This isn't a leg up until you break this high. And this could be another target above this high right here, right? I'm gonna make this BSL. Somebody was like, well, you keep saying BSL. You know that means dick sucking lips? I was like, no, man, I said BSL, not DSL, motherfucker. Twitter got nasty minds. I thought they wasn't ready for it. Well, they every day they show me they're probably worse than we are in this chat. And big shout outs to the ladies that are in the room with us, man. And we do have some ladies here that trade with us. You guys are tough ladies. I would bring you guys to war with me. Y'all be in the room enduring what we be doing. And most of y'all like, yeah, I'm having a good time too. So I'm like, yeah, I fucks with y'all.
I get the money from my house out in a lovely country town. I said, if you care about fly out, go to the Louis store and buy it now. I'ma keep pouring till I'm running out. I just hit it from the back, she's scared you running out.
Ooh, money keep on coming in. Ooh.
She sucked my soul, she done it like Ash Cash. I keep on getting them flashback. I was OT, so I had to bash. I almost thought about getting a cab back. Do it like Rico video that if we upload it, probably get some backlash. Backshot, she got the ripple effect. It's too tempted, I can't help but slap that. Fuck that, pull out, I don't wanna be a dad yet. Plan B, girl, you gotta swallow that tablet. The way that she handle it, this one talented. Pump soaking, feel like I'm paddling back. Come round, I'm a fan of it. Ride on a bike one time and saddle it. Hey yo, a doctor working wonders. Damn, that's a big circumference. Get her wet, she don't need no lube. On a 40th floor, you should see the view. She don't wanna send me a pussy on Snapchat, madman. I don't wanna leak your nudes. How do I say if I see me in rude? I just wanna...
All right, man, everybody, we ready, man. We ready. If you ready, hit me with a 444. This range, in my opinion, is going to get attacked. This is the alpha range here, high and low. Alpha B to C is the alpha range. We should hit it here. Look at this as a manipulation leg. I like it. I like it for OD macro move higher. OD macro move higher. All right, this is what I wanted to happen at market open, but you know, this is a trade idea. If you a gangster, you can try it. I don't feel like being OG Pistol Pete today. I'm going to chill. For all my OGs, if you know who Pistol Pete is, well, you know. If you know, you know. I'm gonna say trade idea, not live, not live. Pre-market, pre-market, retest.
Good morning, team. OPEX is today.
Oh man.
Yeah, let's be careful a little bit. They can manipulate a lot today.
Morning, Tim.
Morning, brother man and Scott. Ken and Scott, and yeah, I agree, man. We get some manipulation. I got a pre-market trade idea, but it's just a trade idea. We're getting close to the opening bell.
What's the trade idea? Short out the gate?
Well, I was looking long, but it fell. That's why I don't mess with pre-market. And if we break 721, you can go lower.
Yeah, I'm thinking about shorting it to 680.
You got London low all the way down there too.
Yeah, for sure. The London Bridge is falling down.
So you're inverting the Reaper. That's some shit ICT would say. All right, yeah, I got London low on the bigger Alpha C. Looks like it's, it's behaving 5 minutes or bullish here though. 1 minute is bullish and moving averages. See, I wanted it to go higher to go lower. I wanted to take that 808 as liquidity. But we'll see what happens now. All right, here comes the OD macro. The OG macro, boy. Technically, if you do get this would be a breaker. Potential breaker there. Higher if it wants to go higher. Watch this 931 candle, everybody. All right, here's your opening bell, a bit higher. It did take this out. It will have to get above and retest that. You also swept that. So there's a lot of confliction here. For me, I'm just going to wait. I can frame longs and shorts.
Yeah, ES is weak, so I took the short. I'm gunning for 680.
Ken Master Sue short. We got our sniper short. Let's go. Rooting for you, Ken. You looking good though. You got Alpha C below. I got no inversion, nothing.
Yeah, we stay below 725. I should be golden. Stay below 725. Nope. All good.
Guys, Apex 80% off. Use code JUICY. Take Profit Trader 40% off. No activation fee and a refund of your eval fee if you get to pay out. Use code JUICY. Again, I have isolated my firms to just these two. The only one I will also recommend is Top Step. Those are the only 3 firms you're going to hear me talk about from here on out. Never changing, never adding. It's going to go Top Step, Apex, Take Profit Trader. Those are my 3. Use code JUICY at all 3 for the best discounts possible. Is this a breaker? This is a breaker too. This is kind of breaker. I'm snagging it. Small, long. Breaker for that Alpha C. Bringing my stop back to the breaker. This is a negative R trade. So I did hit it a little bit lighter in size. Negative R trade. Theoretically, I want this high, but we should definitely come down and get this high. We should definitely get the pink line. I want the blue line. The blue line is the internal range structure. And being a little tricky here at open. If we get below the breaker, I'm getting out. I have no music. Come on, play. There you go. Music's not too loud, right? Music's fine. Come on. Pump her. Pump her up. I didn't mean to put 8 on, but I'll deal with it. I gotta make sure I adjust the 3 once we get there. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. There you go. There you go. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. If I keep saying good boy, Bucky and Zeus gonna run up in here. Come on. Be a good puppy. Good puppy. Come on. Get this high. At least get this one. Come on. Come get it. Come on. Be a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Come on. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Come on, Nazi. Hit my target, please, Nazi. Nazi. Couple points away. Give me $5,000. Come on. Don't be doing that. That's a tick. Just stop playing with me, boy. You better go get that. Just to be safe, I'm gonna put my stop right here. Right under the fair value gap. So it's either I make some money or I lose a little bit. You could scale out here, go break even, whatever you want to do. I'm thinking we bounce out this gap. We're in the gap, bounce out of it. There you go. Flip it green. I'm gonna move it just a little bit lower because I got the 20 right there. 21 EMA. We should bounce. There you go. I dropped my mouse. If you feel any type of way, cut the trade right now. If you feel any type of sketchiness, if you're not willing to take the loss I have on the trade, get out right now while you're in profit. I'm going to hold. Oh, mouse pad was upside down. Watching this gap here, I need this gap to hold. Come on. Push, 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 push. Alpha C still in play. One tick away from where I was at. Come on, let's go. There you go. There we go. Come on, get it. Good boy. You get a treat if you get up to, there you go. You want to do a treat? There you go. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right. So now I'm going to move my last three. Actually, I want to readjust my target. I'm going to change this to 3. Confirm. I'm going to break even here on this part. Break even. I want to go to a higher time frame to see if we are going to continue to go higher. Where can we go? We can go up to here.
Great entry, dude. Great entry long. Thank you.
I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to put a scale out for 2 up here. All right, hold on. Let me change this to 2.
Yeah, high target's 837.
We hit Alpha C, guys. So Alpha C, we can turn around at any point right now. I'm runners only on this particular trade. And theoretically, the higher time frame is still bearish. So I just got my stop at break even. This was the target. This was the area of liquidity for a short. So I got runners at 1 target above, stop at break even, can't lose any money, and over there. So I'm going to walk away with at least 3,500 on the trade. So I'm cool with the position I have on right now. And if it hits my break even, I'll look short. There goes the break even. So make sure you take your orders off. So good little opening drive play. And we're just going to wait for right now and see what it does, because this was the high that I was looking for to activate the short. So now I'm going to be looking short. No more Alpha B. I got Alpha C's. Alpha C is London low. London low will be my target if we reverse here. So we got a lot of room down. London low is what I'm going to look for. So you got liquidity there, and this is your inversion gap, IFEG. All right. You kind of already hit it. And then you got Alpha B right here. So this could be a short target. That's 24,508, 24,508. AM looking lower. Green on the day so far. Minute and 5 minute MAs are still bullish. That's why I haven't flipped the script just yet. Any 1 minute alpha framework lower with the 5 minute alpha framework below is a big time hit, especially if these moving averages can align and get on our favor. I consider this to be a BPR. I'm not sure how the ICT fan crowd will consider that, but I consider that a BPR bearish. Hits it, we drop. That's what I'm looking for now. Prep the sell, load the sell gun, load the selling gun, load the selling gun. Got some profits and some cushion to play with too. Looking at a clear shot down to Alpha B. This would be a target too. This would be a target 1 actually. Not in the trade just yet. white dotted lines of where I'm going to be targeting. Or if I do execute short. Not in trade yet, but on screen, that's what I'm looking for. Alpha B final target. We'll see what happens when we get to Alpha B. Outside of macro, well, we got the sweep. There's your sweep. Look at the sweep. I consider this golden sweep. Got the wicks up top. So give it to me. I'm going for it.
Later, I have a confession to make to you after this trade.
These are my confessions. He was like, I got one pregnant and a baby on the way.
I got twins.
Oh man. The day money magnet settles down and has kids. I can see you having kids, but I can't see you settling down. I can see you like, listen, bitch. Listen, bitch. I'm gonna put a baby in you. I'm gonna pay for all your stuff.
Yeah.
I'll show up on Fridays.
Yep. We'll go to we'll make sure that he goes to Harvard, and then we'll make it the next Tiger Woods, and we're good.
Yeah, make sure he plays golf. All right, there's the golf program, but he starts at 3.
Either that, he's got to join Goldman Sachs. He got to be like Stanford all the way.
All the way.
Hey, Karan, you been playing any golf lately?
No retest.
Man, honestly, I've gone and practiced, and I've been so busy with work, but I don't have like 4 or 5 hours to just go and play. To be honest with you, I'll go practice for like an hour or so, but that's the extent of it.
Go to the range, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm playing today. 680, baby. Let's go. Target acquired.
You still short, Ken, or you?
Yeah, I've been shorting the pop. It was a good reject on off of the 837. So next target down, we have downside London low, but next target before that is 560.
London low's way down there.
Yep, that's where we're going. But guess what, guys? I couldn't get in.
There's no entry.
Yeah, but this is what we call it, the sweep of the Alpha C. Right on point. We got the long. Now we're looking for the big drop. Big drop, in my opinion. Big drop. Now, I know we got some liquidity here, but with the way we're looking, we should go lower. These are relative equal lows here at 670. But we should, in my opinion, go way lower. Everybody's going crazy about gold. Gold's up like 100% in 2 years. Look at the return for Bitcoin. It's got to be up 700% over the last 2 years. At least 700.
Give me 100 handle short. Let's go.
Where would you enter, Ken?
Your range of shorting is between 730 and like 730 and 700. Your stop loss should be around 745. I'm trying to target at least 650. Oh, let's go. Come on.
I got no inversion gap to get in on, but again, still looking lower. Getting a big bounce up here. Hold on.
Big bounce.
Throwing these curveballs at you. I'm not going to take it because unless it falls out of this gap, it would have to fall out of this gap. Moving averages here bullish. Moving average bullish. We did not sweep this low. I ain't fucking with it. I ain't fucking with it. Y'all have it. Fuck that. Clear short on the table. It's like, yeah, fuck your short. Yeah. Fuck your couch, nigga. I ain't messing with that thing, man. Guys, I got no active play on the book. Little 1 hour.
Dude, these wicks are FU Friday wicks. I'm good. I had one trade. That's solid. That's done. I'm good for the day.
Yeah, the face ripper, but 745 was stop loss.
It came back into the 1 hour fair value gap, but damn, boy. Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. We just gotta wait, man. We got a good trade on, right? Even though it wasn't like a hunt and handle banger, it was still a solid play, right? Solid play. We're just gonna have to wait, man. I ain't trying to get up in here and get clapped up. You know what I mean? I'm trying to chill out. See what it does.
Back to the moon.
Yeah, it's moon shit. Are we at the moon yet? No. Yeah, we're at the moon. Now we're going to Mars. Skrilla Scott, man, you gotta drop the rhymes. Anybody come up here with an ill ass rap, I'll give you a free Apex account. You gotta rap on stage though. That goes to you, Twitter. Watch somebody come up in here professional with it. Drop the meanest line ever.
Do it. Do it.
I'm so tired this morning. Oh,
No, I'm hungover too, bro. So I feel you.
I just started drinking, so I'm gonna get where you guys are.
Nah, it's over for me. But you got the better time zone. So we just waiting, everybody. We just waiting, man.
I just wanted to be green and get out, but this is dragging on all morning now.
Skrilla, it's only been like 23 minutes.
I know, it's 23 minutes too long. I'm not tired, dude. I don't really skip trading days, but today I was seriously contemplating it.
I would just call out of work today.
Yeah.
How's the rodeo?
This could be our new range.
Yeah. Huh?
Now saying this high, the high of day and the low that we just put in could be our new range, but damn, we just cut through it. This is an internal high shift right here. This is an internal high because this was a leg. So that takes my alpha Bs off the chart.
Back to the moon. 903.
It's like every time they bear it up, man, they bear it up. Every bear like setup now is a trap. Yeah, almost, unless you get like, you know, that quick one at the top. But when they give you like a big leg down and they're like, yo, look at that target down there, boy. Look at that London low. It look good, don't it? Right? Fucking trap. Because they had me fooled, bro. I swore we was gonna get London low.
Now we're going London high.
We already got that. We gonna get London high. We gonna get powder and all.
X, that setup you took to an open, that was a 1 minute and 5 minute LAF combo. And those are very, very powerful. The winning trade you took.
Okay. The LAF combo.
That was a sick entry, actually. Honestly, that was a really sick entry.
Well, bro, appreciate you guys. Gotta follow the system.
900. Next up.
My man, all drunk and hungover. Let's go.
$900. Let's go.
Ken, you're not so short, are you?
No, heck no, man.
Okay.
I'm long right now. I got in at what? 852. Got in for 900.
I got in at 4.5, but I have 3 MNQs. I'm not even.
Hey, I only got 3 MNQs too.
Oh.
I'm playing top step. That's why.
Yeah, same. Small. I can't do more than like 50% or whatever, so I gotta keep it chill. And these candles are moving like 70 points in 1 minute. It's like, it's just stupid.
Yeah, I'm just flipping today. Top step when we benchmark is 150, so we're good.
Yamaha's coming out with the self-driving motorcycle.
Oh yeah, no, I saw it.
It's wild, and it's supposed to be able to balance. So you have no clue how to ride a motorcycle. You can now get on 1,000 cc bike with no experience, and the bike won't fall over. Dope.
That's legit, man.
That's legit for people. Yeah,
that's legit. You can drink and drive.
Drink and ride. Wow. The world we live in.
$900. Come on.
Next
Right
target,
there.
yeah. Next target 959. We're an expansion leg up. There's nothing I can do. I'm not in a trade. It's already gone. The only thing I can do is look for a 1 minute alpha setup. Moving averages are here. Going. These are all high. This is all high. It's like this is the 1 minute alpha zone. That's a high. That's a high. That's a high. Wow. Wow. Mean expansion leg here.
We're never breaking out of this consolidation range on the 1 hour X. We're just never going to leave it.
I think we're going to do it to the upside.
We should.
We should. And what Brightman's referring to is this. Let's go look at a 1 hour chart. Honestly, just look at the daily chart. It consolidates it down a little bit. But the fact of the matter is we continue to chop in this box, right? If you go down, you take it down to the 1 hour chart, it's all of this garbage. It is complete garbage. This right here is a death zone. Everybody that's listening to me, this is a graveyard. People have gotten killed in this particular area. But I will say this, even though we're consolidating, still opportunity. And the way I'm reading it now is this is a low that got swept. This is an internal market structure shift here, internal. And because we're going internal, we could pull back something in here and then attack this high. All right. So this high here would be your next target up 25.77. So we'll see. You know, we're just going to wait and see. Me personally, what I'm waiting on is a 5 minute or a 1 minute long alpha setup. If we get the alpha setup here in the macro, I will take it. Needs to be LEF with moving averages. All moving averages are confirmed bullish. So let's see. I prefer the 5 minute to give me an LEF, but I'll take a 1 minute while we're in expansion. Stats on the day, win for win. On the day, I'm up about 32 on the day. I'm okay with that. So let's see. Anybody got any questions for me? Anything you need help with?
I have one.
Yes, sir.
Greek yogurt or normal low-fat yogurt?
Protein yogurt.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, those
Kobani?
yogurts that got 20 grams. They're actually pretty good.
Yeah. Good, right?
And then I put the some granola in there. Like, so I make a lot
That's
of
what I
granola.
put.
Yeah, and the granola has protein in it too.
Right. Okay, that was the only question I have. Thank you.
Yep. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback here on the 5. Don't have no alpha B on this pullback to swipe. Unless I make it like this, but I'm not going that far for a 1 minute. I'm not going that far. 5 minute I would. So again, when execution, let's just chill. Let's just chill. Hit arms yesterday. My arms are tight. It's a good feeling. It's harder to get your arms tight the next day. At least for me. I got big arms. I don't have a problem getting my chest, legs, and back sore. But getting my arms sore, my arms and my shoulders. I don't know why. I just can't get them sore the next day after. I grow, but being sore the next day after, it's hard. Andrew Tate to come out of retirement to fight what's his name? Darian Mose, something like that. Fight's gonna be in December. Not on Netflix. I wish they would have put that thing on Netflix. Oh, I gotta go. All right, guys, we're all flat. I'm flat. There's one good trade today. Sometimes I make 50K. Sometimes I make $5.
Kenny, you go long at 45?
I missed the dip. I was trying to buy the dip because around 800 I missed it though. It was so fast.
I'm long at 44.
Oh, 44? That's good.
You said 45 was the spot, so
Yeah.
I'm in small again. That I didn't scale on the time that we were long just a minute ago when we were long. I didn't scale and it ripped back down on me 30 points in less than a minute.
Skrilla, you got a inversion long activation here.
Oh, I missed this. I was
Well,
looking
that's
at
good
another.
though. You remember the 45, which is good. Yeah.
Thanks, X. What is that? A 1 minute one?
This
Yeah,
1
1
minute.
minute.
Yeah, I'm never going below the 1. Trade idea for me, guys. I'm not in it.
Yeah, that's a nice one. But look at that, 30 points, bro.
I know. That's so sick.
48 to 15. It's like, hey, those gaps are huge.
I should have known too that pullback to 45.
It was short lived. I'm already out. I stopped at break even. I'm not messing with this when this thing is moving so fast.
Yeah, I mean, I'm good. I'm super green. Did I tell you that Elite Trading is taking me live?
Congrats.
Yeah, bro.
That's the
ETF?
thing, you know, like you're
ETF,
gonna.
baby. I'm going live.
Connection lost.
Oh shit, is that you?
No, it wasn't me. Connection. That's your ninja.
Give me a second.
That's the thing, though. You go small, 3 MNQs, and that thing goes up 30 points, and you're like, okay, I'm only making like, you know, $150, and then it comes back down and rips off your face, and you're like, now I got to cut or break even. You're not making really. You get good numbers, but then you're not making any money. You have to let it go 60 points or something.
Yep.
Yeah. Like 2 trades now, BE on the day. Day high is 89.
You said the day high is 89? Yeah.
Yeah, so you kind of be careful with that spot where those two, that green and red right there on the left right now is right. That was your day high.
At least come get it. You know what I mean? Come get the day high. Create me an alpha B below. We'll see what happens here.
900, so I mean it's, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if I can get the girlfriend to get me some more coffee. Go harass her.
Skrilla's nice way of saying, "Hurry up, bitch! Get the coffee on the table right now." Macro for it. I'm playing. We don't condone that. That's a joke.
No, we don't. No.
It's a joke. It's a joke. I know the feminists. If there's any feminists listening, they have a problem.
Yeah, no. I'm very nice.
Oh my God, how could you ask your girlfriend to make you coffee? Like,
I guess when
what?
you upgrade to the wife status, they bring it to you because yours brings you coffee. So
With breakfast too.
I haven't upgraded yet. I haven't gotten the new version.
New download.
I gotta upgrade to the. I gotta purchase the lifetime plan.
Lifestyle subscription. Still gonna be making
Your
monthly
wife
payments though.
Yeah, I hate the payments. Those always get you.
Yeah, they ain't going away on this one. Service gets upgraded, still pay for it every month.
Yeah,
You're funny.
Those are the
You're
monthly
funny.
upgrades every month. Yep.
Yeah. Y'all funny, man.
Your stream is stuck, bro.
What do you mean?
I think your chart's stuck.
I'm moving on my screen. Oh man. All right, let me try this. How about now? Let's go. I'm the lady. Oh man, Queen of Green.
You're good.
I reign supreme. Oh, I'm gonna have to throw you one. Let me check what I got. Wendy. Good stuff. Wendy. Wendy up at basically 4K. You funny, Master Pooh. Master Pooh. Oh man. You funny. In real life, Skrilla got hit upside the head. What did your friend say? I heard him. You had it on speakerphone. Fix my breakfast, woman. All right, we're chopping, bro. We chopper docking. That's it. I might be it, guys. I might be it.
I said OPEX, options expiring, everything's going, so it could be, Look at Wendy though. Wendy's like, she's fine. She's fire.
That's what this Queen of Green. Queen of Green.
It just made relative equal highs and we got to the high day again. Let's see what happens now. Nice work, Ken. Bro, you've been really consistent in your trading. It's been awesome just being able to be with you on your path. We've been doing this together for what, 2-3 years now?
Oh yeah, easily.
Big shout outs to Ken in the chat. This is P&L.
SMT at the
look how clean this is right here. It's a clean, straight up shot of growth. 5-minute alpha B put in.
Yeah, I got to talk to Ninja Trader, man. My connections keeps on dropping. Finally, 900. Now we're going to the top.
SMT just broke.
Yeah, I couldn't make any trades. Oh well.
Oh, and I just got coffee and a kiss. Perfect.
950.
Without the
My
upgrade.
day's done. Without the upgrade. Yeah.
Back to 25,000. How beautiful is that?
Oh, 25.95 now. Next 959 is my next target. I gotta wait for us to sweep 777 for me to engage right now.
So he's got that pullback to 845 and then the breakout 845. That was a key level. $950, yeah. Wow, what a beauty.
Which firm is this, Ken? That you're using? I know it's Ninja, but like which
This is a funding ticks.
you everywhere with them, huh?
I'm playing around with like over 10 different prop firms.
I was like that before, yeah, but I just too much, bro. I just got down to 3.
Yeah, 3 is good. That's
3
a good
is
number.
for me. It's easier to do.
I had to do it ever since Apex put me on probation, so I had no choice but to venture out.
Yeah, man. I hear you on that. I hear you on that.
Yeah. So, but anyway, ETF. Yeah, they're making me live. I'll be live with them next week.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. So I'm live with a few prop firms already: Bullinox, Tradeify, Take Profit, and now
All of
ETF.
them.
Going live, baby.
And honest opinion, though, not picking anyone or picking on anyone or picking being what's the worst negative one or the worst positive one, but going live, do you notice any benefits by doing it?
No, so honestly, I'd rather not go live. You know, if I had a choice. Yeah, if I had a choice, I'd rather not go live. But the thing is, like, when you're too good, they gotta try to stop you. You know. But the best live firm is Take Profit. To me, they're the best.
Best firm in general.
Yeah, in general, yes. Take Profit is hands down the best.
TPT.
That's right.
Sound like a game. You down with the TPT, bro?
Yeah, you know me.
You ain't down. You won't get this. You won't get this Tech 9, bro.
Apex, man, you got 99 problems, bro.
99 problems, but being live ain't one.
Yo. 99 problems. Apex, though, I gotta be honest with you, man. They were so sweet. They actually gave me 8. I've been taking like 8 withdrawals after every 10 days. So they've been super sweet on that, man, on 8 different accounts.
Oh, nice. Apex?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't have 20 like you guys, man. I'm just, I'm delicate in this.
Who said anything about 20, bro? Well, come on. It's harder to keep Apex accounts. I'm not gonna lie. Out of all of them to keep, the Apex is the hardest one.
Yeah, Apex, man, they pay
but
out.
They pay out, though.
They've been super sweet. Yeah. I see. When I see the email, Plane is setting, because I'm international, Plane is sending your money. I'm just like, what? That's amazing. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, they're legit.
Yeah.
I do like Tradeify though, so I'm entering their tournament they have starting next month, which is pretty legit.
I all the other trading platforms too. They don't actually they don't allow Dubai, man. So Apex is the only one I can actually use.
Even
They're
TPT?
bastards. Yeah, they're bastards. X. They're bastards.
I thought you could use Take Profit Trade in Dubai.
No, man. So me and Ruan, we used to use like Top Step, and then they actually stopped actually letting us use Top Step.
No, this is a newer firm. Not newer firm, but one newer to me.
Right?
Yeah, TPT, not yet.
Yeah, I'll wait until the discount comes, and then
No.
I can handle so many things at one time, though, man.
No, I'm with you now, but they do in Dubai. I just looked it up.
Okay, all right. So Take Profit, TPT.
Yeah, and you use my code, you get 40% off. They cost a little bit more, but you don't have the trail and drawdown.
And no activation fee.
And no active. And if you get whenever you get the payout, they give you the money back. If you use my code, they give you the money back. You pay for evaluation.
Oh, nice. And it's the same thing, right? Like, so for like 50K, it's like make 3K and then.
Yeah, it's the same targets. It's just it costs a bit more.
That's okay, man. I mean, at least they pay out like right away, so that's kind of cool.
They pay out today.
Right away. Yeah,
today. Yeah, you can take out payout every day too if you want to.
That is sick. Okay, TPT, and it's easy to configure to NinjaTrader.
Yeah, or if you like TradingView, you could just throw it on your TradingView. Yeah, they make it real simple. I put a link in your DM.
Also, Master Pooh, the benefit of going live. There's only one number one benefit to going live, is that you can make as much as you want. There's no consistency rule. There is no rule, basically. You can make as much as you want, and then you can get daily payouts. So basically, when you go live, everything turns to TPT.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna then buy TPT. Is it easy to configure X on NinjaTrader?
Yeah, it should be. I don't use it with NinjaTrader. I use it on TradingView, but Ken can confirm it should be. Yeah, I sent you a link right there.
I use NinjaTrader. Yeah, it's just like Tradeovate.
I don't have Tradeovate.
No, but basically you have to sign on Tradeovate. Make sure you sign the agreement, and then that's it. And then put your username and password on the NinjaTrader, and you're good to go.
Oh, sweet. Okay, nice. Thank you, man. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. You're gonna like the same day payouts.
Yeah. You kidding? Otherwise, I'm like, come on, man. Let's make $80 today, $100 today, $180, $100. You know.
The only downfall is the split, the profit split. That's all.
What's the split?
It's 80-20.
I mean, still, man. I mean, it's someone else's money to begin with, anyway.
I know, but I worked it up to 20 grand, and they freaking took what, $4 grand from me.
It's okay, man. That's okay.
You know how many evals I could buy with $4 grand? Come on, bro.
You don't want to hear my story that I had to do in my work recently, man.
What's that?
So I closed a very, very large deal, man. I closed a couple of hotels, and yeah, I know it sounds really sexy, right? But the split, I had to reduce it because it's actually my old buyer, and because he's buying like multiple different like asset classes, he's just like, I'm going to reduce your commission. He's like, I don't care. Like, reduce it. I don't care.
Reduce
so
your commission?
What?
Reduce your commission.
Yeah. It's okay because he bought like five different hotels, man.
Okay.
I'm not gonna pay you like your 5%, 6%, 2%. I'll reduce it down. I don't care. You know, reduce it. I don't care.
I see.
So when I saw like, $4 or $5 million, yay! But now I see 1 million, but I multiplied that by 4.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. So I feel your pain. I get it. I completely get it.
I appreciate it. But they're still awesome. TPT is still awesome. Apex is still awesome.
Yeah, they're my favorite right now.
Karan, you'll be proud of me. Made one of my biggest SPX puts yesterday.
I love hearing that, man.
Yeah,
I think I did that once this week, man. But I keep missing, like, whenever like the news comes up, man. I keep missing it. But heck yeah, man. Dude, they pay, man. They pay like violently.
Yeah, it was scary at first because it was the most I ever spent. It was like the contract was one contract. I went all the way out to November, so one contract was like $60.
Okay, how many did you get?
I only got one, but then I made like 50%.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
right off the bat, like one day instant. Yeah.
It's the best, dude. It's the best. Honestly, like if you especially to find like a trend day, especially when the news comes out when he says that China something or back.
Yeah, it's fire, man.
Yeah, it's fire, man. There's no doubt it's fire. I just say my ammo for like those days, man. But like I think I missed like 3 of those days this week. But next week is next week, man. There'll be some other news that'll come up with, we have tariff on soya and now we have tariff on air. I fucking know.
Yeah. Well, they're still holding off on those CPI, so I don't know what they're gonna do.
I don't know, man.
I don't later.
You know what, man? Every single time I see Buffett's have you seen Buffett's YouTube? Like him on YouTube?
No.
He is anticipating November is gonna be shit.
Oh wow.
Like when he says like November is shit, he says I'm just cashing out.
Guys, again, no active setup for me. Just chilling. But back to you guys.
The only position that he still has is just UNH.
Oh, I see. Wow, that's it. Wow,
that's it. Otherwise, he's just cash. He's just like November is going to be the worst November we've seen.
He's calling it. Wow.
Yeah, him and Barry. And Barry's by Barry's buying Lululemon, like, every single dip on Lululemon he's just buying.
But he doesn't even wear it.
No, I know he doesn't wear it. And Buffett is just buying UNH every single time, but his entry is like 311, right? So.
Oh, okay.
They got upgraded, but it doesn't matter. They can upgrade to like 410, but it doesn't matter. The broader market is selling. UNH is still going to sell. My largest swing is actually UNH as well as PAF.
As well as PAF, right? Yeah.
PAF, but it's PAF at 2026. But like, I mean, it's a large position, man. So every day, I'll be honest with you. Like I'm it's going to be a while. I'm going to see the green, and that's okay. I just look the other way.
Oh, you're red right now on the path?
On path, so on my 15s, I'm okay, but on my 17s, I'm red. But I just dollar cost average because I have until 2027. I'm just better my average from 6 to 5.
Okay.
But yeah, they're still red, man. They're still red. But 2027, man. So I just have to do what I do, which is look the other way and saying, okay, well, if it goes down more, buy more by conviction.
I mean, there's a gap till the 22, but you gotta.
I know.
Back to 17.
But there's got to be like a. I saw UI Path in Jitex in Dubai. They actually had like a booth there, and I'm just like, so what exactly do you guys do? They're like, where do AI and yada yada yada. So that's what my fucking talk is on, motherfuckers.
I see.
But if you buy time, man, you buy time. My UNH is like, 320, 310, and 400 calls for like next year and the middle of next year. So it's get some. I took most of my profit out, but I'm still getting shit on it because of my 400s and my 350s, my 360s. But it's okay. If Buffett is bought, I'm okay. I'm alright.
And that's what I was talking to a buddy of mine yesterday about that too. Like basically, like what Peter has taught me. I'm saying that there's targets and stuff for price action, and I was telling him that because he was like, oh my gosh, I knew it was gonna go down, but you still lost money, or you knew it was gonna go up, but you still lost money. So I told him, I said, your problem is not calling the targets. You know the targets are there; they exist. Your problem is timing the market.
Yeah, and no one can time the market, and that's one of the reasons in which it's like that patient. You know what I love doing with you guys on a day-to-day basis, man, is that you guys are talking to be like great at day trading futures, man. And honestly, and I'm still, touch wood, I'm not great at it, but I'm surrounded by people who are great at it, so it makes me better, right? So, but with swings, I've always been okay with the fact of I know that I'm going to have a week or maybe sometimes 10 days of it's going to bleed, right? But because it's so far out there and it's a leap, I have to bite the bullet and say it's not going to work out today, it's not going to work out next month, but it is going to work out.
Right.
So unless it's devastating news, then I will flinch, but otherwise it's okay.
Yeah, otherwise it's a huge pullback for you, that's all.
Right. And it's just a buying opportunity, that's it.
Yeah. But then I told him, I said, like, you get better with timing the market. If you can, let's say you call it a target, but it didn't hit target until the end of day. Okay, great. You can call the target and it hit target end of day. But if you can call the target and it stuck within 4 hours, you're good. Or within an hour, you're great. You can call the target within 30 minutes, you're awesome.
So all of you guys, and X obviously, like all you guys fib levels for like day trading, look at the 1 and 3. See, because I'll pick like certain like stocks which I want to like get options on. Obviously, I'm looking at like the 4 hour, the daily, and the monthly, right? So for me, I have fib levels, but for me, I know like the level which I'm going to be buying more at if it dips below it.
Right.
But I'm now getting
that's your ad.
Right. That's my ad.
Yeah.
Right, because most of my expirations are like 26 and 27. And I do believe that whatever, Trump and China, whatever is going on, he will randomly make a statement that we're back. Random. Like one day he'll say, I had really, really good wontons and fucking amazing, and now
wontons.
Wontons. Now I'm sorted. I had the best dim sum. Now we're good. We're friends.
And now we're King Kong.
Yeah, now we're good. Kung Pao, baby.
That's right.
It's cold, man. It's annoying, bro. It's annoying.
So on my main X, because of you and Ken and all you guys, on my NinjaTrader, my main account, not any of my accounts, 22K, 150, 150, 135, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 130, 150, 150, 150.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's go. Candlestick Stalker, what's up, brother? Welcome. Yeah, man, I'm just chilling, man. I want to see him sweep this low. They even got a nice little range right there. I just gotta wait, man. I'm looking down for now. Small down move back into 777.
X, did you trade the news yesterday? Like when he said that the soybean thing or the banks and everything? Did you trade that? Who traded that? Can you traded that right with this SPX puts?
Yeah, I didn't know about the news because I had the XPX puts in the morning already.
Yeah, I got tagged. I was looking for data load, and then they tagged me as choppy. And I just walked away after that.
You take the SPX when ES was 67.50?
Yeah, let me look. Yeah, I took it yesterday morning, so it was hot up there. Because the thing is, the reason why I took it is because I just saw the gap fill. I was just charting, that's all.
Okay.
I was just charting and I saw the gap fill, so I was like, I'm going to take that.
Because I look at Mancini's levels, because I like him, right? I think he's amazing, right? But he's a perma bull, right? So he's never ever called, like, he'll never go short. He's always trying to find like a failed down to go long, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
You know? But I always sort of praise the fact that always a perma bull. Like amazing. He's like the hopium of optimism, right? But you know this as well, and so do I. Like you make more on the ride down sometimes you do on the ride up.
I'm a strong bear, bro. Yeah.
I am too, man. So the only two which I actually picked in for my swings are the things in which, I mean, I don't know. I'm sure healthcare will still get like messed with, and I'm sure even like, you know, path would probably get messed with a little bit. But the overall market, it's a healthy correction, which it has to do. It has to, man. Look how much we ran.
Right.
Bro, we went from like 583 in like March, like fucking 670 something. So 660 is healthy. I'm just waiting to actually buy like the dip to actually go long SPY shares.
I mean, I charted NQ like a couple nights ago, and a low target that I have is in the 23s, like 700.
700s, right? Yeah.
23 700. That's like a low retest target of mine. And I tried to chart like, I call myself Massini Jr., so I try to chart like him.
Nice.
Yeah, so yeah, he's awesome, but I'm complete opposite. I don't trade like him. Yeah, and he only trades EX.
Neither do I. I mean, I follow him on EX to get my SPX trades on, but man, like I sent him a couple of messages on Twitter saying, do you ever go short, or is it just like your mannerism that you're just an optimist by heart?
Yeah, he's a strong.
And he responded that I make more money on the way up than I do on the way down. And it's like, have you ever played the way down? He's like, I've never played the short.
Wow.
So because he's never played the short, I get it, you know. So, but his strategy is amazing, man. Like,
just to come in and say this, if you look at the overall market over stances of years and months, it just goes up. You know what I mean? Just short side is always short lived. But I can't, lie to you. You know, that elevator down is a fun move to catch if you can catch it.
Fun move, dude. It's a very fun move to catch.
Yeah.
I love elevator down. I hate grind up.
We get a nice move down into our target now. I just couldn't get it set up. I mean, could try this, but that's not the framework I wanted to see. Hindsight call. Still win for win on the day. Hindsight. Everybody, hindsight. Hindsight capital. Let me just specify to everybody here what I was looking for. Live trade.
No, we break 845. We're gonna retest 770. Yeah, ES loses 670, then we're going back down to 655. Let's go. Elevator down, baby.
You guys short?
Yeah, I've been shorting.
Okay.
Because my high target today was 950, and it showed off a little bit. It hit, 960, so that was short-lived. X, can you please say deliver?
Deliver.
There you go. Now it's moving. Thank you. It's gonna be my last trade though. I'm gonna get ready to play golf.
Spoken like a true trader. It's my last play. Gonna go play some golf.
What's your PT in the short, Ken?
My PT short. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
gutted for 770. I got 3 on. I'm gonna leave a runner. I'm gonna take profit around 805. I'll take a couple off, and then I'll leave a runner to 770. $805. Target acquired. All right, leaving the runner on.
Thank you. That was a quick $650. Thanks, Ken. Appreciate that.
No problem. Anytime.
Hey, hold on. I'll be right back, guys. 1 second.
That's why you take profit on PT1. Thanks for asking. You always take PT1. That's like my main take profit. But I have PT2. PT2 is 770, man. Here we go. Break 800 and we going down, baby.
Yeah, I just got it on the top again, man. So I just have 5 on.
Let's go.
Go.
770. Come on, give it to me.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, no way.
Here we go. Here we go.
Come on.
You're inches away. Come
Go.
on. Last trade. You're inches away. Give it to me.
Come on, you little
Hold your breath. We're going down.
goose fraba.
Here we go. Here we go. 770.
Fraba. Goose fraba.
Let's go, Bears. $770. You're right there. Come on. Ah,
No,
almost.
it's happening.
Almost.
It's happening. Don't worry. I got the whole goose fraba thing going, Ken. It's you said 7. We're gonna go 770.
Almost, man. It's right there.
Come on. Come on.
Oh man, come on.
Oh man,
Wow, you were inches away.
you talking about from
What you hit,
777?
781. Wow.
81. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. 81.
Looking for that 777 triple number. Let's see if we get it.
Yeah. Hey, I don't care. Go 777. You're going the wrong way.
Other bitch.
You're going
Sorry.
the wrong way. Oh well. It's my runner anyway. Just don't break 845. Nope. You gotta do it. Yep. 845. It's not ready yet. 777 is still a target.
I wanted a reversal, but we didn't take this low. We took this low. I don't even have an inversion.
really good, by the way, man.
Oh,
Your mic is really good.
yeah, I'm just close on it.
You don't want to know how much I averaged into add back on the short side, Ken.
What was that?
I said you don't want to know how much I averaged into go on the short side.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Good job. Triple
Yeah.
seven. Give it to him.
7, man.
Triple seven. All right, man. Happy trading, guys. I gotta get ready.
All right, man. Enjoy your golf, brother.
All right, thanks, man. I got new clubs too, so I'm gonna try them out.
Which ones did you get?
Have a great day, bro. Enjoy. Thanks for everything.
You get Telemades?
I got Callaway Apex.
Oh, those are great, man. Those are great. Him
Oh,
stiff,
yeah?
man.
Well, 777's gonna hit. All right, man. Enjoy.
All right, brother, man. You got a small play into the 777 coming up right now. Small inversion. Come on, get the 777, baby.
That's the money number. 777. Come on. Candlestick Stalker got the top, bro. Good stuff, bro. Drop that in the main chat, brother. I don't see how you guys trade from your phone. I just can't do it. I would go crazy. I would go nutty. Okay, I got a trill set up for the long side. It's starting to happen. Not an alpha framework.
Is your close above? Mean ass BPR. So back in the gap. I'm gonna take it here. I am long playing this range here. 1 minute setup. 1 minute outside. No, this was the macro candle. This was the macro candle inside of macro.
There was a 3 minute earlier that for the short. So technically you could have gone short.
Yo, do you feel like volatility's a lot higher? Because it's already up 20, bro. Volatility's back, bro.
Yeah, it's nice.
Motherfucker's aggressive. Take 3 off here. I tried to get the top or whatever. I took 3 off, very slight in profit.
AG. Ooh, Bob House. AG.
Back on the gap. Let's see if we get back to break even. On me, I'm gonna add more. I'm actually not going to add more. I'm gonna leave my stop at the swing low. Looking at this range low, range high. Should deliver this high up here.
All right, guys and girls, have a good weekend. I am off. I'll see you on Monday.
All right, brother.
Bye, brother.
Good one.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
We are now consolidating. And we're losing the gap now. Let's see what we do. Lose the gap. I got to get out. This is the last play I got right here. Trying to see if we bounce out of this gap. Does everybody keep your stop losses at that swing low? Give me a second. Give me a sec. You okay? I got my stop in place. It looks like I am going to get tagged out. I got to help my wife do something. I don't even know what it is. She's telling me to come help her. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. If I get tagged out, I get tagged out. I'm on 10 and 10. I'll be back. Give me 1 second. I took a loss on the last play. So 1 for 2. This is the sweep that I do like better, the 777. So we'll see above the 200. Give me 2 minutes. Guys, I did get long here. It was a very clean play. I'm either going to take a clap nap here, or I'm going to Ruth Chris. Ruth Chris, 1 and 2. Everybody type out what you think's about to happen to me. Am I going to Ruth Chris or am I taking clap nap? Type it out. Clap nap or RC. You going to Ruth Chris? All right. 1 and 2 things about to happen. This one's clean. I got size on.
Dude, I saw the entry that you actually just took right now, and I'm loaded with you. Like, I'm loaded as well.
All right, it's either clap nap or Ruth Chris. 1 and 2 about to happen, man.
Come on, man. If I'm in this with you, it's always Ruth Chris.
I'm with it.
You know?
Go get me a Wagyu.
I got Wagyu. I got a little Buddha bar action going on as well.
Does Ruth Chris even have Wagyu? I don't think they do.
They don't have Wagyu. No, they don't. They don't. No. They got ribeye.
Let me get a sirloin. I never had a Wagyu sirloin. Is that a thing?
I don't think there's anything off that, to be honest with you.
That's why I asked, is that a thing?
No. I think Wagyu is like more like a ribeye, isn't it, Scott?
Is this cleaner meat?
It's a tenderloin cut. Yeah.
Tenderloin. Okay. Yeah.
All right, we about to get one of those, or we gonna?
Yeah, the
we gonna go to
sirloin
sleep.
and is like where they cut it from, right? And the Wagyu it's more like a tenderloin cut. And
Yeah.
No, but the Wagyu from
a Japanese cattle. Yeah.
Yeah. In Japan,
And
they
can only
feed
be
it
certified
grass.
as Wagyu if it's from Japan.
Yep.
So then, what is Kobe? So what is Kobe then?
A.
Kobe the same cut as
American.
A.
Kobe American.
Yup.
Hey, your boy
No.
going to wear the green. Let's
Yeah,
go.
I know. I'm in it with you.
Let's go.
Pick a target. Just pick a target, X.
959. Alpha
Okay.
C. Well, of course, we're
Okay,
going to
going
scale out. We can scale out at 868. Are you feeling all gangster? No scale out. Just going to hold the lot.
I mean, let's. I need a most important thing. So back to the Kobe. Kobe is American. It's not Japanese.
I don't know about that. Y'all on a different level. I've done a Wagyu a couple times. I didn't done no Kobe.
I always thought Kobe beef was like proper like Japanese.
I got a limit at 868.
Bro, you said a number. We're going to that number. Now let's talk about meat.
Come on. Give it to me.
What's up, X? What's up, fellas?
What's up,
ladies?
Calvin?
All right, my brother. I know you guys wrecked them this morning.
Just got in alone.
Okay, that's a good one. I got a long signal out, so I'm gonna wait for it to clear this area. But yeah, did good this morning, man. This morning was a good morning. How you guys make out this morning, X?
Went for 2. This will be the third trade right now.
Okay. Yeah, I wrecked them on that was on you guys one Wednesday. Man, that trade, that shot I took, hit the 400 pointers on that second.
Hold on one second. Let me give me some water. Right.
What's up, Skrilla? Cubo? Frankie? Slave Trader?
What's up, brother Calvin? What's up, brother Calvin?
How you doing, Master President?
I'm doing great, man. How are you?
I'm doing good, my friend. Doing good, dude.
I'm excited to see you in Dubai, brother.
Oh yeah, man. I am too, brother.
I'm excited. God is good. God is good.
God is good, man. And I look forward to it because one of the things I've been on my bucket list was getting over there. And so it's going to be nice. Gonna be nice. So yeah. See how they
What did Daniel always say? Each one teach one.
Each one teach one. That's right.
Each one to teach one. Yeah, I miss him, man. I honestly, I miss the XP sort of that vibe.
Yeah, man, it's nice. It's a good group of people, man.
They're good people.
The experience was good.
They're good people, man. They're really good people.
Yes, they're good people. Yeah, so I haven't talked to them in a while, so I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, but today was this is a good week, man. I'm my week nice and green. Made all my goals. I'm good. I'm just sitting back waiting for the next trade, if they're gonna be one. But I got a huge boundary around me right now, so. But the longest looks good. Just it's in that spot. Till they get back above 71, 871. But they got some well out there, man. He buying up a storm, dude. This dude put in 1, 2, 3.
Man, I have a feeling that this guy's going to come up with like Monday saying that I've decided against whatever and we're good and we're going to go back to. There's some stupidity, man. I think everyone is, especially like the hedge funds.
Yeah.
But the scary thing is, when I heard like Warren Buffett's YouTube, and I'm just like, he's just like sell everything and do not stay in any position in November, and that's really, really worrying and concerning.
Yeah, but the truth is, they know what they're gonna do before we know.
Yeah.
And Warren Buffett, he on the inside he's in that circle of he know before you know.
Yeah. The only position that he has is actually UNH.
Everything else he cash.
That's it. He's cash, and Michael Burry is just Lululemon.
X Brightman said, "Let him up."
Huh?
I don't know. It's just something I ain't quite understanding. But the thing is, what Warren Buffett does, let him go down and tank the market, and then he buy it all down and pennies on the dollar.
The smartest guy, man. Smartest guy.
You there, X?
Well, that's slave
He's
trade.
trying to get some water. He's trying to get some water, Frankie.
Oh, okay. You gotta wait, Brightman. He'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm here, bro. I'm back.
There you go, Brightman. Brightman said, "Can you let him up?"
I am.
No, you're not. Just watch, man. Just
No.
watch.
I'm watching. I'm down a little bit, but it ain't over to the fat lady sing.
No.
Brightman, you in the same play? Or you in a different play?
We're all in the same play.
Oh, we're in it. It's there. I ain't gonna lie though. I am betting my weekly profits on this, man. So on the week, I'm
all of us are doing the same, brother.
Let's see. I'm in it. It's clean. I had to take it. I'm sorry. I just had to take it. It's clean.
So did we, man. I mean, dude, the entry was there. The entry point was there, man. So now it's just about whatever the wick is going to do on the 3 minute, the 1 minute. Let it do it, man. It's going to work out.
That's a 50% retracement on NQ. ES breaking one of my weekly targets to the downside.
I just added more action.
Right, man. What you doing?
We could bounce right here because they got support right here. So let's see how they're gonna do it. You got a 1 hour low at the wick of the last candle on ES around 63.53. I'm flat. I'm not in the trade, so I'm totally flat. And keep pushing to a 5 minute fair value gap. It's already been mitigated though.
Volatility is back, boy.
Yeah. This
is my market, man. This is my market.
This is great.
This is my market.
Move your stop.
We go. I got a signal for a short too back at 83.
What's your PT on that short though, Kevin?
I'm not in it. I'm not in it.
Yeah, but what?
I got a tag. I'm going to take clap now.
VWAP. We break. We break. Lose VWAP. I'm gonna take a short.
But yo, I'm gonna say this though. Everybody listening? I'm gonna be
It's
real
clean,
with
though,
everybody here. Clean play. I'm red on the week. This is my first red week since May. Since May this year. And then prior to May, I didn't have a red week for like years, right? So I am red on the week. After everything, we'll be red about 7K. I had profits on the week. So, I lost, my profits on the week and then went red today. So, and I blew like 2 funded here on the straight. So, I mean, I'm okay. I still have other funded accounts. My account is still sitting up over 78% year to date. But I did lose a big trade, fully sized. Everything was there. It fell A+. Part of the game. I can't trip about it. Technically, it's not invalidated until price gets below the 672. And I would never change my system. I'm continue to trade my system. That's all I got to say. And it can give you another attempt. Like right here is another inversion. Moving averages are still bullish here. It can give you another attempt, but I really like this one because you got the sweep before the macro. You got the retest inside the macro. It was beautiful, man. I'll take that trade 20 times again.
Yeah, All
take
day.
the long right here too.
All day.
I would take
All
the
day.
long.
It's just this trade right here. This I had sides on it, and then when people sides up on trades and they fail, it kills your confidence. It kills people's confidence. For me, it's like, all right, whatever. It's just I'm not gonna lie, I'm frustrated. But you know, I do know it's part of the process. So
I'm
I
green
might
for
go
the
take that clap nap.
I'm green
I
for the
had
week.
a
I'm
TPT eval and that blew, and I had 300k PAA just blew too.
Yeah,
So
I blew
Yep.
2 funded accounts, TPT pros.
Ouch.
Right,
Part
this
of
is your
game.
long, X, right here. They got you out. This your long right here, X.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
got me out. Just flip it back up.
Oh,
That's a
right.
fuck you move. Corando, what were you saying, bro?
no. So I'm green for the week.
I took the long, X. I'm long right now. I took your long just now.
I'm down for the day, but I'm net. I'm still green for the week.
I'm long.
But dude, that was still a great trade, X. Like that was honestly a great trade.
It's just that they went for the stop. That's all.
I would take that. I would take that entry every day.
Because I max size this first play, I can't take the second one. This blue box I have there, if you invert it, you can take that as a retest. But
What's your max, dude? Mine's what's yours? 50?
on front of people, I'm not taking
No.
more in front of 20. Behind the
First-
scenes, 50 to 70, 75
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay.
behind the scene.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
'cause
20 handles on your trade. Good call, brother. I didn't take it then when you took it though. I just waited. It could go long or short. So with the 20 handles, let's see if we're gonna hold.
Oh, you're getting 20 handle pops at the entry or 20 handle drops. You know, shit's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think, like Scott said, it's OPEX, right? So this is just fucking.
Nope, that was a sucker move in. They gonna stop me out. That's a good bounce play right there.
To Brightman's point earlier, like we're just still in a box. I mean, it's a big box, but we're in a box.
On the 1
We're
hour.
not really.
Keep going, Skrilla. I was saying, when the giant box on the 1 hour, keep going.
Yeah. No, that's what I was. No, yeah. We're in the same. We're looking at the same thing. Inside bar, you know.
They're gonna take it short. I ain't got stopped out yet. I will be. I'm red now. The trade. It was green.
We never that big dump. It's gonna take us a while to dump out to get out of that bar because it's just been. It's so big.
So we're just not taking out the. Let's see.
All right, well, that's it for me on execution, man. I'm about to go take this clap now. I'm gonna leave the stream on. Twitter, we leaving though. Goodbye, Twitter. First red week since May, but I am red on the week.